welcome back to Lessons Learned. Thanks for stopping by. I had a little fabric haul I wanted to share with you, as well as a little information about a craft swap that I was recently involved in. And if you want to join a craft swap, I'll tell you what that's about and how you can get in on it. You probably saw from the beginning of the video or the thumbnail that I was holding Miss Honey Sews. I did not make her. This is what I received in my craft swap from my partner, Patty. She did an excellent job and a wonderful job on this little lady. She's my counterpart here. Isn't she cute? She's got her quilt show passes on, and she's got her bag for shopping, and her little arms move, and she's just got the sweetest little face, and her hair's all curly and done up. So cute. She's even got on little comfy sandals so she can get around at the show. Isn't that cute? Even inside of her little bag, she has purchased some fabric, and she has some other little goodies in here. Quilting magazines. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So wonderful. Okay, so how can you get involved in a craft swap? Well, on Facebook is how you do it. So you do have to be a member of Facebook. There is a Facebook group called Crafting with Lisa Marie Swap Group. And here's what it looks like. And you sign up for the craft swap. And you get partnered up with someone, and then there's a theme that has been placed by Lisa Marie to follow. And the one that we just did was a scavenger hunt on the word honey. So each of the letters of the word honey, you were to either make something, buy something, share something, starting with those letters. So H could be handmade or hexagons, N could be notions, and that sort of thing. And Y could be yummy goodies, and you could send candy or treats or something like that. So it was super, super fun. So I sent Patty some things with those letters, and then she in return sent me something too, but you don't know what it's going to be. She did ask me early on what color my hair was, and I said I had silver hair, so look what she... Perfect, right? That is just perfect. So she made this doll, and this doll is named Miss Honey Sews. And her little necklace says honey on it. There's just so many details to this, so many details. So she sits up here on my shelf at the moment, but I am going to get a stand where she can stand up. And then some of the other goodies that Patty sent me were some fat quarters, some sweet treats. She sent me a beautiful mug that had honey and honeybee theme to it, as well as a dish towel. And what else did we have? I'm not remembering all the details at the moment. I've dispersed everything. So some things are in the house, some things are in here. But it's just a really nice way to meet another crafter and share some special things together. And I also sent her some things based on her get to know me sheet. We each fill out a get to know me sheet, and on there we tell what our likes are, what we don't like, what we might need, what we are into, and then that person can kind of gauge what they're going to make or what they're going to send. So she loves bright colors and Kaif and Tula and all of that kind of stuff. So I sent her some fabric. I made her a fabric bowl. I made her a pot holder. I sent her a magazine, a sewing magazine, and some other things, I think. So it's a whole lot of fun, and you don't have to do it every time that there's a new swap. You can skip one and just wait for the next one, or one that interests you more. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. So if any of my subscribers would like to get in on the swap and you're on Facebook, send me an email at the lessonslearnt2021@gmail.com email address, and I'll see what I can do to get you in on the group. You can go in on the Facebook group now if you want. You can ask to be admitted to that group, but it helps me out a little bit if I can refer you. So I think it's just like a free swap or something. It's $5 each time you sign up for the swap. It's $5, so it's kind of like a little administrative fee for somebody organizing it and all of that. So it just means I would get a free one. So it's not a huge thing, but I would like Lisa Marie to know where the new people are coming from. So let me know if you're not in on that already. I'll try to get you in on it. All right, that's what that is. Miss Honey Sews. Now, some of you caught sight of her in one of my videos and wondered what that was and why I hadn't talked about her. So here she is. I love her. I do. I love her. All right, let's get to the fabric haul. I have one from Missouri Star. I think it's Missouri Star. Yes. If you get their emails every day, you see what wonderful sales that they have. So sometimes I buy, sometimes I don't. I just kind of wait for something that I need, or something that I know that I'll use in the future at a good price. So the other day they had Moda on sale for, it was either 20 or 30% off. I'm thinking it was 30% off. So I took that as an opportunity to stock up on some grunge. So let me show you what grunges I bought. This one is cream. Let me go ahead and open these, because it's kind of hard to see through the plastic. I think I got 2-yard cuts is what I did. So there's the cream one. It's got a little bit of a purplyish gray in it. Very rustic looking. You can use these for backgrounds. I got a dot. This one is called Grunge Hits the Spot Eggshell. So that's their grunge with the spot on it. See it? It also has a little bit of a gray. It's not as dark as that other one, but I thought that would make a good background. And then I also got another grunge, and it is called Cabbage. And it's kind of an aqua color with some teal. Well, it's not aqua, it's green. It's cabbage. I love this. This is one of my favorites. Very pretty. So I got those. There's some 2-yard cuts that I can use in my projects as I need them. Yes, I did get 2-yard cuts. I was just reading that. And then just to kind of finish up my order to get free shipping, I picked out a panel from their clearance that is labels. Some cream colored labels. quilt labels. They're cute, basic, very nondescript, but has a little bit of flair to them. So I got that. That was from our Missouri Star. And you can collect points with them as well. That becomes, what do they call it? Quilt cash. They call it quilt cash. So every time, so much for every $1 or something like that. This is from Quiltique. Now, Quiltique is a quilt store out in Henderson, Nevada, which is close to Las Vegas. And I have visited the store. It's a very, very lovely store. I really, really like it. And they had some clearance items that were a good price. All of these are $7.99. They're almost all $7.99. I have one that's $8.09 per yard. And so I have this bag right here. Let me show you. And I got 1 yard of each. Just to build stash, because you know, you've probably seen this one before. It's called Make Time Blush. Here's the color. And then this one is Gingham Foundry Floral Cream. This one is Whimsical Romance Main Pink. And then there's another one that coordinates with that, Whimsical Romance Stipple. So those go together. And one more. It's called Lady Bird. And another one of those nice green shades that I love. So that is my haul. If you have any questions about either of these places, Missouri Star or Quiltique, just leave a comment and I will answer your questions about them. But they were very, very prompt. This Quiltique is very, very prompt with their shipping. Yeah, very nice store. Very nice people work there. Alright, so just keep in mind, there's a lot of quilt stores out there online. They may have an actual store somewhere, but they also sell yardage online. So there's a lot of great quilt stores out there that you can, you know, if you don't have one close to where you live, then there's some great stores out there. And look in their clearance area, sign up for their emails, and you can just find all kinds of neat things. And sometimes you need to be searching for something in specific that you need and can't find anywhere else. So it's nice to have a lot of resources to go to. Alright, just thought I would share that with you and about the craft swap, and I will see you guys back here on Finish It Friday. Have a great one. Bye.